Once somebody came to Hasan Basri Rahimullah and he said, Hazrat, we feel that our hearts have gone to sleep. He said, why do you feel that your hearts have gone to sleep? He says, Hazrat, you are giving the Dars-e-Qur'an, we are here listening to your lectures on Qur'an, but it has no effect on us. It doesn't move us. So Hazrat got a bit annoyed. He said that your hearts have not gone to sleep. They have died. Wake up. Your hearts are dead. If you are listening to the Dars of Qur'an, if you're listening to the lecture of Qur'an, and it is not having any impact on your heart, that means your heart is dead. It's not sleeping. So the hearts die. We listen to all of this, and we have been listening to all of this for I don't know how long, but it's all good. It's the best it does is that the next time I am going to talk to somebody, I will be able to say all of these things and leave an impact on them. But where is the impact on our own selves? The first people, the first ears that listen, that should be listening to what we say, is our own ears. And that's the first heart that should be changing because of it as well. One thing that helps us, or few things that help us becoming mindful of doing self-audit, is that reminding ourselves that I am answerable to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah will question me. It is better that before He questions me, I should question myself.